Hello,
How are you today?
I'm good.
Can you introduce yourself, please?
My name Huy. I'm 7 years old. I'm happy. I'm from the city, Vietnam. I like red. I like lion. I like swing.
Very good, thank you. Are you ready? What's this?
And boy, cat, dog, elephant, foot, girl, hop,
Very good.
insect, ink, chim, shoot, kick, kite, love, leaf,
Very good. Who's this?
family,
Yes.
grandfather,
Yes.
grandmother, father, mother, sister, brother,
Very good. Colors. What color is this?
yellow, blue, orange, green, black, red, pink, white, purple, brown,
What's this?
pink flower,
Yes.
yellow flower, red flower, white flower.
Very good. Numbers. Ready?
Number 17, 1,
No, this one.
number 6,
Mm-hmm.
number 18, number 13, number 10, number 8,
No.
9,
Yes.
number 15, 18,
No.
19,
Yes.
3,
Mm-hmm.
12,
20.
1,
Very good. Okay. My body. What's this?
X, a head,
Mm-hmm.
X, a leg,
Mm-hmm.
X, a mouth,
Mm-hmm.
X, a nose, X, an eye, X, an ear, X, an arm.
Very good. Can you tell me about my teddy bear? What does your teddy bear have? My teddy bear
My
has...
teddy bear had two ear, one nose, one mouth, two eye, two arm, two leg,
Yes, he does. Thank you. What animal is this?
cat,
Yes.
dog, bird, monkey, snake, bear.
Very good. Thank you. Activities. What can you do?
Run, I can run. Swing, I can swing. Sing, I can sing. Hop, I can hop. Jump, I can jump.
Very good. Food. What food do you want?
Banana, I want a banana. Cookie, I want a banana.
Banana?
Cookie.
Cookie.
Sandwich, I want a sandwich.
Yes. Toys. What toys do you have?
A ball, I have a ball. A car, I have a car. A teddy bear, I have a teddy bear.
Very good. School things. What is this?
Book,
Mm-hmm.
pencil, bat, ruler, eraser.
Eraser. Yes. My...
My house.
Yes.
Living room. Bedroom. Kitchen.
Okay, thank you. Now, what's he doing? Where?
I sleep in the bedroom.
Yes.
I cook it in the kitchen.
Yes.
I watch TV in the living room.
Thank you very much. That's the end. Very good. Bye.